Hello children. Standard 7 Maths exercise 10.5 question number 2. Construct a right angle triangle whose hypotenuse is 6 cm long and one of the legs is 4 cm long. Children, અહીંયા આપણને લેબલ નથી આપ્યું, so we can put our self label. આપણે આપણી જાતે લેબલ મૂકી દઈએ. BC A1 leg, that means base side BC 4 cm, hypotenuse side, that means angle, right angle opposite side is hypotenuse 6 cm, and draw ABC. Let's start. First 4 cm BC, line segment BC 4 cm draw करो. Give label BC 4 cm. Open your compass with convenient radius with B as a center. Do an arc. First arc, which is 60. Second arc, which is 120. With help of 60 and 120, we can get right angle. Draw ray BX. Ray BX. Now, AC 6 cm, which is hypotenuse. So take 6 cm radius. With C as a center, draw an arc which is intersect ray BX at point A. So intersecting point is A. Now join AC and measure it also. It will get 6 cm, which is hypotenuse, and angle B, right angle BC 4 cm. Step also is here. BC is 4 cm. Draw. Next point, draw ray BX such that we can get angle B, right angle. Take 6 cm radius. With C as a center, draw an arc which is intersect ray BX at point A. And now join AC and we get required triangle ABC. And we have to complete our sum over here. I hope that you understand easily. Thank you.